Welcome, welcome, welcome to the Blockchain of Oz ecosystem. I am Blockchain of Oz, and if you are watching this, you have just made one of the most important decisions of your financial life. You decided to show up for yourself. That puts you ahead of most people. Welcome. You are exactly where you are supposed to be. What you are looking at is your map. Every guide, every community, every tool you will ever need on your journey to financial freedom. All right here. Let me walk you through every single one. Meet Luce, your very first guide and constant companion. She welcomes you with a placement test and checks in daily and weekly, so you are never alone on this road. Nexus is your security guardian, teaching NordVPN, Google Authenticator, and Ledger hardware wallet to protect everything you build. Crypto Wallet Master makes your crypto journey real. Trust Wallet, Tria, Tommy Wallet, and Coinbase as your bridge from traditional banking into cryptocurrency. The Alchemist shows you how to earn 6% cash back on every purchase you already make using the Tria Crypto Debit Card across 3 membership tiers. Vortex is your trading guide. TradingView for real-time candlestick charts and CoinMarketCap for identifying real market opportunities like a professional. Cowardly Tiger teaches you what schools never do, how to master your mind when markets move. Fear, greed, the 2% rule, emotional discipline, all of it. Asset Oracle gives you the trading tools. 4 bot versions running 24 hours a day so you can observe and learn from live professional trading execution. Harmony brings everything together. Bitcoin, wallets, Tria, security tools, trading platforms, Phantom Wallet, Chime Banking, and BitUnix copy trading. One complete integrated ecosystem. And Brownie celebrates your success in the Blockchain of Oz game room, where you compete in Dominoes of Oz with the community. 9 guides, 9 chapters, 1 complete journey down the yellow brick road. Beyond the education, this ecosystem gives you 2 powerful communities. Oz Cassusu is where you save together, groups of 4, weekly contributions, rotating payouts, verified by blockchain. Watch the Oz Cassusu introduction video for the full story. Oz Cassusu Credit Community is where you rise together, real-time credit monitoring, community credit building, and the right tools at the right moment. Watch their introduction video for everything you need to know. Education, savings, credit, freedom. That is this ecosystem in 4 words. You have 9 guides ready to walk with you and 2 communities ready to grow with you. Welcome to Crypto for Beginners. Welcome to the Blockchain of Oz ecosystem. Your journey starts now, and I will be with you every step of the way. Thank you all for joining. Congratulations and welcome. Welcome to the Blockchain of Oz ecosystem. Let us go.